Page 40. Unit 17. Sensations.
Look at the market. 1,
It's bad. This cheese is bad. Yucky.
2,
It's cold. This ice cream is cold. Brr.
3,
It's good. This cheese is good. Mmm.
4,
Ouch! It's hot. This chestnut is hot.
5,
It's loud. This music is loud.
6,
It's quiet. The music is quiet.
7,
It's rough. This road is rough.
8,
It's salty. This popcorn is salty.
9,
It's smelly. The cheese is smelly. Phew.
10,
It's smooth. This road is smooth.
11,
It's sour. This lemon is sour.
12,
It's spicy. This curry is spicy.
13,
It's sweet. This candy is sweet. Yummy!
14,
It's yucky. Yuck.
15.
It's yummy. Yum.
That was fun. Goodbye.